the whole structure of my mouth has changed. So when Dr. Boer redid my smile, he used his artistic eye and just kind of went in and decided what should be done and took care of all the problem areas, and my smile is completely different than what it was before. I've gotten to the point where I've gained my confidence back in regards to smiling at others, and it's just so fun because I'll flash my pearly whites at anybody right now, and 9 times out of 10 they give me a great big grin back, and there can't be anything wrong with that. And I've been around here for, I believe, about 4 years, maybe a little bit longer. And as my mom used to always say, the proof is in the pudding, honey. And we're there. I mean, I just cannot tell you how good I have felt about the fact that, number one, my smile is completely redone, but number two, it has lasted. It's strong. It's true. It doesn't wear out. You know, it's not like that quick fix thing where it's only 6 months and then you have to go back for, you know, whatever. I just started with a small grin and it just got bigger after